Hey everyone, this is Aaron at King's Ding Repair. Today I'm going to show you a door dent on a 2014 Chevy Silverado. And this dent in particular, two other companies turned it down, stating it cannot be done. Here's the dent, everyone, right there at the bottom body line of the door. It's got a nasty little buckle in it, but I think I can get this repair back to its normal condition and save the customer some money from having to paint the entire side of his truck, because that's what the body shop wanted to do. Well, there it is, everyone. 2014 Chevy Silverado dent that two other companies said cannot be done, and I did it in about 3.5 to 4 hours, all at the customer's house. No need to drop it off anywhere. It is back to its factory condition.